Greetings to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video is being seen and shared. Celine Driver once again. Wanted to come to you today with another unboxing and review of a very nice diver watch. Before I do that though, first of all, I hope everyone is happy and most importantly healthy in this time of challenge. Specifically, I'm making this video in late March of 2020, so if people are watching this in the future, hopefully you remember what we went through in early 2020, and I hope that everyone got through it okay with minimal inconvenience and most importantly minimal tragedy. This is tough times we're living in as I make this video. I can't mention the cause of that, but anyone who lived through it knew what I'm talking about. If you say the name of the problem, YouTube tends to want to strike your video and maybe even kill your channel. So I really don't want that to happen. So y'all know what I'm talking about. And if you don't, Google it. Anyway, was fortunate enough to pick up from one of my other watch buddies this watch. He put it up for sale and I jumped on it within literally a few minutes of him saying that he's selling the watch, because I've been after this particular watch and this particular colorway for a while now. And as you can see, it is a Islander watch. This watch is from Long Island Watch. I will leave a link down below to Long Island Watch's website. Marc decided that he wanted to build an SKX, Seiko SKX-like watch, but with the improvements that most of us watch enthusiasts wanted in that particular watch. And he succeeded by putting in a better movement, a better crystal, a better bracelet, and just overall upgrading the SKX experience to something that we would normally want and do anyway. So let's open up the box. Very nice box, you know, good thick cardboard, nice Islander watch logo, and inside you see the blue one. I wanted the blue one really bad. You can see I've already sized it. It's just a beautiful watch. It really is. There we go. Put that away. And there we go. And we have the blue one. I believe this is the ISL-09, ISL-09, which is a particular model of this watch. It is the blue with the 3/4 blue, 1/4 gray bezel insert, which the bezel is fantastic action and lines up pretty well. No slop in the bezel, nice and tight. Very, very nice. It looks very much like an SKX, admittedly. Signed crown. You can see the Long Island Watch logo. The drilled lugs, which is always convenient. SKX stock. The thing about this watch is, because it's so similar to the SKX, according to Marc, the owner, most every mod part for the SKX will fit this watch, and that becomes important to me in particular in a moment. It is a true diver watch, as you can see down here where it says 100 meter. Has a screw down crown, and unlike the SKX, the movement is hackable because this is an NH36 movement instead of a 7S26. Very nice, very nice. Has a you can hear it's not a jingle jangle bracelet, very tight, very nice bracelet. Fold over clasp with the twin pushers for extra security. You see the Long Island logo with the map of Long Island on it. It's a very nice watch. I'll give you a wrist shot real quick here. Hang on just a moment. There we go. Fits very well on my 7¼ inch wrist. Short lugs, so it just hits beautifully right down the middle. Doesn't overhang. Gorgeous watch. Very much SKX-like, and I own 3 SKXs at the moment. And this feels like an SKX, but it also has improvements over the SKX. I like the bezel better. I like the coin type edge bezel better than the SKX bezel. You can see the links do extend. The end link does extend out a little bit, but it also folds pretty much straight down, so it's not going to cause a great inconvenience to the wearer. Let's see, I have some stats for you. Let's see, it is the Islander ISL-09. That's a particular model of this. He has many different Islanders in many different colorways, and also a couple of different bezels. He has a die bezel, and he also has the GMT style bezel, or the 24-hour bezel if you prefer to call it that. One improvement that Marc made over the SKX is he put in an NH36 Seiko movement. It is windable, it is hackable, which the 7S26 doesn't do. You just have to do the Seiko shake and then Seiko shake, very good. Seiko shake, and then keep it either on your wrist or on a winder. It is, like the SKX, a 43mm diameter. I pulled all these measurements off the Long Island Watch website. It is 14mm thick. It is 46 on the tip to tip. And I believe it's a 22mm lug width. I think that's right. And a 200-meter water resistance. Says so right there on the label. On the face, I should say. And another improvement over the SKX is instead of hardlex, this one uses a sapphire crystal. It's a flat sapphire. It is actually recessed a little bit into the bezel, or recessed below the bezel, I should say. And I believe, yes, it is a sapphire insert. Very nice. Signed crown, although of course because this is an SKX-like watch, any mods that you want to do for bracelets or crowns or bezel inserts or even bezels, all the SKX mod stuff should fit this watch very nicely according to Marc and others. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do a mod on this watch myself. I brought in an orange insert because of my love of orange and blue, as you know. And as soon as I finish this video, I'm going to very carefully remove the bezel and insert and put that insert in its place. And I've already promised somebody is going to buy this insert from me, so don't ask. Normally I would keep it anyway, but somebody really wanted that, one of my other watch buddies, and I'm going to sell it to him. So, very nice. And, even though this was previously owned, I don't think the previous owner really wore it very much. It's in really good shape. No marks, no desktop diver scratches that I can see. It's in great shape. I'm very happy to have bought it, and a good price. So everybody wins. So that's really all I have to say. I mean, these watches have been reviewed to death, even by Marc himself and others. You know, you can throw superlatives at it all you want, but it's just a really good, going to make a really good daily wear style dive watch. And with that orange bezel, which I'm going to hold that up again. I really think that's nice. I am a I am a big lover of orange and blue, as everybody knows, and I think that's going to look very sharp. Although it is a bit of a downgrade, I guess, because that bezel insert is aluminum as opposed to sapphire here, so I'll have to be careful with it because aluminum scratches easier than sapphire. But it's a small sacrifice. I don't really beat on my watches very much. So I'm going to wrap it up with my usual spiel. I hope you enjoyed the video, of course, and if you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Clicking on the thumbs up does help me because it does work with the YouTube algorithms to make my channel a little more noticeable when people do searches. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them down below. I read them all and I answer them all. I will delete the negativity because I am about dealing with your negativity about my watches. And if you're new to the channel or you've been here before and you haven't already done so, please click the subscribe button. And when you do, click the bell icon next to it so that when I upload new content, you are alerted. The channel continues to grow, and I am grateful for that. I am grateful to all my subscribers for helping me grow this channel. It is a lot of fun for me to do, and hopefully it's a lot of fun for you folks to view. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy. Practice that distancing thing that everyone is bleeding about, and hopefully we get it through all this crisis together. In the meantime, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that very much, and I'll catch you in my next video.